Hey, Chairs, let's make this one real simple, real easy. It's going to be Pltr. I want to note that it's only down 2.45%. It was down like 6 or 7% at its low. And the first thing we want to identify here today, I have so many trades. We could have chosen a lot of different stock, but I like this one because it's clean. Now look at this. Normally, this is a daily chart for Pltr, right? We look at this and we try to say, okay, where are we as far as levels? But as you can see right here, Pltr, nowhere to be found. I mean, it's already making like these lows here. It was just 20 bucks like last week. So there's really nothing to play off of. We were playing off of some of these bottoms. There was a 1680 level as well that we were looking at. This is, again, a daily chart, right? So we're not going to get the clean looks here that maybe we saw in the 20-minute, but we were just bouncing off 17. Now, when there's no areas of support, what we have to do is exactly what we said we'd have to do on the live show earlier this morning, and that was wait. Be as patient as we possibly can. And this is the one thing, like I've added a few different tools. I'm trying to be more patient here in 2022, especially if you're going to trade the crazy names. So we basically just let Pltr come down, and then we start to look for some of these wicks, and we find one basically supporting 1525. I mean, it's crazy how low this is, but here's the move down, and that's where we put it on. And we put on, again, this is sort of going to be my strategy moving forward a little bit. Use an oversized amount of shares, but then just look for a small stop loss. So in this trade, we're long at, I think it's 35, 36. I think it should still be on the board there. We're still in the position. The point is that as we go to the downside here, we're picking it up. Actually, we got out there, and I'll talk about that. As it's coming back down to the downside, we just pick it up and use this area for support. Hey, we're willing to lose that 10 cents. Breaking through 15.25 was the best that we had. But then look what started to happen. Boom to the upside. There's 10-cent take right there. Okay, we'll get out of 20% for that 10 cents. Therefore, if it does fall back down, it's not as big of a hit. And then it's like, yes, sirree. And this is actually pretty cool. We let it go all the way up, which is awesome. We let it take out VWAP here. We're getting pressure now from the NASDAQ, starting to build back to the upside. And then all of a sudden, man, so we're out. Then we hold our last, I don't know if this was 15, 20, 10% or so, but all of a sudden, in the middle of the day, nothing happening. It's like 1 o'clock, 1:30, we start to get huge spikes. Now, it's a lot higher now, but we get some huge spikes up here. And I actually think it's Aunt Kathy in there with ARK starting to buy some. You'll find out tomorrow. Maybe there was a 1 million share buy that happened right there. Boom to the upside, and there it goes. It just takes off. It breaks back down below 16, and we always talk about have a plan and trade it. So as this is hovering around 1605, 1606, hey, if the move continues, great, which it does, but it breaks back down below 16, we get out right there, which turns out to be pretty good. It gives you a reload at about 1590, but hey, Pltr is your trade of the day, and it's just very, very simple. We did not find an area. If it was trading up here and we could use this barcoding area as some support or resistance, great, but it's not. It's too low. So we let it settle down, just like NEO today at 28. Let it settle down. So we do that with Pltr, able to take a bottom trade here and boom it to the upside. It's one in and a few outs. It's simple, and it's your trade of the day.